Yo, good day guys. As you all know, I am Modez from Modez Players. Today, we will be talking about how you can prepare effectively for your physics and chemistry upcoming waec exam. So, in order for you to prepare for exams, you need to be able to have enough time for yourself. And I know that at some point in time, most of you are not prepared. Why? Probably because you are hoping on having runs, cheating, depending on your school to give you exam answers and all that, but that's not how it used to be most of the time. Sometimes these answers are very long, and you can only know when you are ready. I'm not saying this thing can't help you. It can help you one way or the other, but you can't know everything. But it will destroy you if you know nothing. So how do you prepare for your exam between now and that time? It's not something you can do alone by yourself. That is why Modez tutorials will be helping you to prepare effectively for physics and chemistry exam that is coming on 23rd and 24th, as it is back to back. You know, as you and I know, that you need this physics and chemistry in order to what? Gain admission into your university of your choice. Once you have a low grade in waec and your JAMB, no matter how high your JAMB wants to be, it will surely affect your admission process. Because why? Most schools in Nigeria uses what? waec and JAMB as a prerequisite for their admission. You get? So now in Modez tutorials, we have decided to help you. We will be holding a class, an intensive and corrosive physics and chemistry class, where we will be solving over 500 plus questions from physics and chemistry, 2 hours daily class, starting from tomorrow, Saturday, 20th of May 2023, till the day of your exam, night before your exam. You get? So in this, apart from that, we will also be setting a standard waec questions for you. We will do it like a way that is, there will be theory, there will be objective, and we'll be able to mark it. We will be doing every two hours daily, 2 hours daily revision class, where we'll be taking, we'll make sure that we touch every subject, I mean rather every topics in both physics and chemistry. And you know what? This is almost free, because for us, we want to make you to be able to pass. So we are making it very affordable to you. I can easily charge 5k for this class, but I'm charging just 2,000 naira. And do you know the most exciting part of this is that what? The first 30 people to join will pay just 1,000 naira. And people are already sitting in the class waiting. We are starting tomorrow. The schedule of the class will drop this evening. It's better for you to join, because if you don't join now, you will regret joining later. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, as we'll be giving you more tips on how to pass your other exams, and also we'll be having more classes on other subjects. Thank you very much.